What's up guys, and welcome back. So today I thought I would do another full face of affordable makeup. Now that seemed to be a really big hit on my channel when I did it a while back, so I thought why not do it again for you guys. Now most of these products are products that I use pretty much on the daily, so you're definitely going to be able to tell that the product is really loved. So I just thought I'd go ahead and I'm going to play some music over the video feed of me applying each product, and I'll make sure that I list the items that I've used in the description box, as well as I go on throughout the tutorial, I'll make sure that I post them on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm using. So if you found this video helpful and you like kind of like the beauty on the budget type videos, please give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew, restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
can see, I used all affordable items that created what I feel is a very, very classy look. Now again, I will list all the items that I did use in the description box for your reference. In the comments down below, please let me know if you want this to kind of be a monthly video on my channel, obviously using different products. I would be more than happy to do that for you guys. Also, let me know if any of the products that I did use you have of your own and that you're absolutely in love with, or ones that maybe you think you're going to run out to the drugstore and purchase. Also, if you're interested in following me on any of my other social platforms, I will list them down below as well. So again, if you found my video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.